Hey there, Budget Masters. Do you want to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals? Budgeting is the key. Let's dive into how to budget like a pro. First, track your income and expenses. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Next, categorize your expenses. Divide them into needs, like rent, utilities, and groceries, and wants, like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. This helps you prioritize your spending. Set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Having specific goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Create a zero-based budget. This means allocating every dollar of your income to expenses, savings, or debt repayment, so your income minus your expenses equals zero. This ensures that every dollar has a purpose. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you're consistently saving. Finally, use cash for discretionary spending. Withdraw a set amount for the week, and once it's gone, it's gone. This helps you stick to your budget. Subscribe for more budgeting tips, and let's master your money together.